Welcome to Ploop Channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Toy Time with Tommy in Broom City. Look, everyone is here. Helly the helicopter has just landed, and over here is Cleany, cleaning the streets as usual. Look, Cleany has found some rubbish. Let's clean it up. And over here is Amber's garage. Let's see if she's in. Hello Amber, are you there? Amber is going to check on dump poo. And now Amber is checking dump poo to see if he's okay. Let's check his front. Yes, that looks okay. Now let's check at the back. Yes, everything seems okay. Okay, Dumpu, you can come down now.
Oh, thank you, Amber.
Oh look, there's Roy and Polly. But where are they? Are they at home? No. So, where are Roy and Polly? Have you seen them? Hello? Yes? Oh, really? You're over there. Okay, yes, great. I'm coming now. Super. Bye. Do you know who that was? That was Roy and Polly. Life-size Roy and Polly. Let's go and see them now.